Second chapter sets, we completed exercise 2.1 and the definitions related to exercise 2.2 is also completed. Now see exercise 2.2. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, then find A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal? So find first A intersection B and then next B intersection A, then find the result. So what is the result? Now see solution. First write down the given A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. The two sets are given. Now first to find out A intersection B. A intersection B. Write A 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection B 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Intersection means write all intersection means write the combined, the common elements means that lies both in A and in B. The elements which are in A and are in B. So identify that first. See 1 in A, 1 in B also. 2 in A, 2 in B also. 3 in A, 3 in B also. So 1, 2, 3, the three elements that lies both in A and B. So write the common elements. So common elements 1, 2, 3. Now these are the common elements that lies both A and B. Then it is in A intersection B. Now next B intersection A. First write the elements of B. The B set elements 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 intersection the elements of A 1, 2, 3, 4. So write the same, the common elements that lies in B and in A. So identify that the common elements 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So these are the three elements that lies both in B and in A. So 1, 2, 3. So these are the common elements that lies both B and A. So they lies in B intersection A. So what you observe here given, are they equal? See A intersection B elements 1, 2, 3 and B intersection A elements are also same 1, 2, 3. So from this we observe A intersection B equal to B intersection A. So intersection A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Second problem, if A equal to 0, 2, 4, find A intersection pi and A intersection A, then comment on that result. See the solution, the given sets. Write the given sets. A is given 0, 2, 4 and another set is given, that is empty set. Empty set means it is pi, contains no element, just the right braces and no element in that set. Now find out A intersection pi. Write the elements of A 0, 2, 4 intersection pi. Pi means empty set. Now write the common elements. So what are the common elements that lies both in A and in pi? We know already pi contains no element. So there is a no element common for both A and pi. So it is again a empty set pi. So A intersection pi equal to pi. Not only A intersection, if any set intersection pi equal to pi. Now next A intersection A. A intersection A. Write the elements of A 0, 2, 4. Intersection elements of A 0, 2, 4. So intersection means the common element that both lies in the first set and second set. Here the both the sets are same. Then their intersection means 0, 0 same, 2, 2 same, 4, 4 same. 0, 2, 4 lies in both the sets. So write the combined the common elements 0, 2, 4. So again it is A. Again it is A. Now what comment on this means, what is the comment? See A intersection pi equal to pi, A intersection A equal to A. Always for any set, not only this A, not only this problem, for any set in general, A intersection pi equal to pi. A contains any elements, but the intersection of A and with the pi is always pi. Next, A intersection A, the intersection of the set itself is always the same set. Now third problem, if A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, find A minus B and B minus A, difference of sets. Now solution. So first find A minus B. So write the elements of set A, next and elements of set B. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minus intersect next B, set B, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. See, already we completed how to find out A minus B in the previous video, but see, I explained that with a simple trick. If you identify the trick, see what is the trick. Here, first cancel the common element in both the sets. So what are the common elements? The only common element is 6. So cancel the 6. A minus B means see the definition of A minus B, x such that x belongs to A but x does not belongs to B. We have to select those elements which are in A but not in B. So first cancel the elements that are in both the sets, means the elements lies only A, that does not lies in B. So write purely elements of set A. So what are the elements of set A? See here, 6 lies in A and 6 lies in B. So cancel the common elements, write the remaining elements of set A. Here the first set is A, so write the remaining elements 2, 4, 8, 10. 2, 4, 8, 10 are the elements of set A minus B. Here we are cancelling and write the remaining elements of set A only, not the remaining elements of B, only remaining elements of set A. Now this is A minus B. Now B minus A. First write the elements of B. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 minus elements of A. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Same here also we have to do the same thing. The elements of B minus A means x such that x belongs to A but x does not belongs to x belongs to B but x does not belongs to A, means the elements of B only, that not in A. So again we have to do the same, we have to apply the same trick. First cancel the common element. So only the 6 is the common element. Now cancel the common element. Next after this write the remaining elements of set B only. So what are the remaining elements? 3, 9, 12, 15. So these are the common elements of these are the elements of B minus A. 3, 9, 12, 15. Now see what you observe. A minus B elements 2, 4, 8, 10. B minus A elements 3, 9, 12, 15 are the same. No, they are not equal, they are different, means A minus B, in general A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Now fourth problem, see if A and B are two sets such that A subset B, then what is A union B? See, if A is a subset of B, then we have to find out A union B. See solution, I explain with this with an example. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 a set and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the A subset B means all the elements of A are present in B. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and all the elements of A 1, 2, 3, 4 are in B 1, 2, 3, 4. So A is a subset of B. Here we are considering the two sets which satisfies A subset B. Next, what is A union B? Now find out A union B. A union B means write the elements of A, 1, 2, 3, 4, union elements of B. So what are the elements of B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these are the elements of B. Now union means you have to write all the elements. A union B equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. So that belongs to both the sets, belongs to write all the elements of that lies in A and B. So 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4 elements, here are the first 4 elements, same. Next the remaining elements 5, 6. So this is A union B. So what is A union B? Elements of sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here in set B also contains the same element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means it is equal to B. Means A union B is equal to B. See. Then what is A union B? A union B equal to B. In general, not only this problem, in general, if A subset B, A union B always the biggest set. Here the biggest set is B. So the A union B is the biggest set. Means A union B equal to B. A is smallest. A is a subset of B. A is a smaller set and B is the biggest set. Then union means always biggest set. In general, it is not in the question, but see. A intersection B, the intersection means smallest set always. Means if A subset B, then always A intersection B equal to A. So remember, union means always the biggest set and the intersection means always the smallest set if A subset B. Now fifth problem. A is given set X such that X is a natural number. Set B is given X such that X is an even natural number. C is a set X is an odd natural number. And D X such that X is a prime number. Then find the 4 sets are given. Then we have to find out A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D and C intersection D. Now solution. First write the elements in the sets. The first one X such that X is a natural number. So write all the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. These are the natural numbers. Next B equal to write even natural numbers. So what are the even natural numbers? Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 so on. These are the even natural numbers. Next set C write odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 like this. These are the odd natural numbers. Next set D all prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 like this. So these are the all prime numbers. Now these are the 4 sets we have to find out individual one by one. See the first one is A intersection B. So A intersection B, if you observe the common thing, if you observe the from fourth problem, see here the biggest set is A and all these are the subsets of A. It is related to fourth. See what I am saying? It is related to fourth. A is the biggest set. B, C, D are the subsets of A because we are forming the B, C, D by using the elements of A. So A intersection B. Intersection means the smallest set. The smallest set is B. We get B. A intersection C is C. A intersection D is D. See that is so. If observe from the fourth problem. Now see what is A intersection B. A intersection B means write the elements of A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Intersection the elements of B. Even numbers, all the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are the elements of B. Intersection means only the common elements, means X belongs to A and X belongs to B. So write the common elements. So what are the common elements? 2, 2, 4, 4, 6 6 8 8 10 10. So 2 4 6 8 10 and so on. Means again it is a even number set. Means A intersection B equal to B, because A is the biggest set and B is a subset of A. So the smallest set is B. Next, A intersection C. A intersection C equal to, write the elements of A, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 so on. These are the elements of A intersection. Elements of C, 1 3 5 7 9 so on. These are odd numbers of elements of set C. Intersection means again the same process, right? The common elements means that elements which lies in both the sets, 1 1 3 3 5 5 7 7 9 9 and so on, like this. Means A intersection C, here we are getting again the same set C. Next, A intersection D. A intersection D equal to, first elements of A, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and so on. Intersection elements of D. The set D contains all the prime numbers, 2 3 5 7 11 and so on. So write the common elements that lies in both set A and set D. So 2 2 same, 3 3 same, 5 5 same, 7 7, next 11 11, like this. So all these are the elements of A intersection D. A intersection D equal to set D. Now B intersection C. B intersection C, write the elements of B. B contains all even numbers, 2 4 6 8 10 so on. Intersection, write the elements of C, all odd numbers, 1 3 5 7 9. So these are the odd numbers. Intersection means common elements. Set B contains all even numbers, set C contains all odd numbers. Is there is any common element? No, there is no common element. So B intersection C is pi, empty set, no common element. Next, B intersection D. B intersection D, write the elements of B, 2 4 6 8 10. Next, intersection, write the elements of D. D contains all prime numbers, 2 3 5 7 11. So write the common elements. So what are the common elements in set both B and D? See, 2 2 same. Next, no element is common, only 2 is the common. So this is 2 contains only one element. I already told, if a set contains only one element, it is called a singleton set. Singleton means it contains only single element. So this is a singleton set. B intersection D equal to 2. Next, C intersection D. C intersection D means C contains all odd numbers, 1 3 5 7 9 11. All these are the odd numbers. Intersection D contains all prime numbers, means 2 3 5 7 11. All these are the prime numbers. So intersection means same, the common element, write the common elements. So what are the common elements? 3 3 5 5 7 7 11 11. So common elements are 3 5 7 11 so on. So these are all the common elements of C intersection D. Now sixth problem, see the sixth problem. If A is given set 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 and B is given 4 8 12 16 20, C is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and D 5, 10, 15, 20. So 4 sets are given. We have to find out A minus B, A minus C, A minus D, B minus A, C minus A, D minus A, B minus C, B minus D, C minus B and D minus B. Now solve one by one. The first one, solution of first A minus B. So write the elements of A, set A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Next, minus elements of B. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So these are the elements of B. So what is A minus B? Means X belongs to A, but X does not belongs to B. So by using our simple trick, first cancel the common elements. So what are the common elements? See, is there is any common element? Yes, 12 is common element. Next, only one element is common. So see here, now write the remaining elements of set A. First cancel the common element, then write the remaining element of set A. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. So this is A minus B. Simple. First cancel the common element and then next write the remaining elements of first set only. Here A first set, so write the remaining elements of first set. Now this is A minus B. Next second one, A minus C. A minus C. So write the elements of A. A minus C means A elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Next, minus elements of C. So elements of C are 2 table 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16, the last one. So A minus C means again we have to do the same thing. First cancel the common elements. So what are the common elements? 6, 6. Next 12. So only the 2 elements are common. So can write the remaining elements of first set A. So the elements are 3, 9, 15, 18 and 21. Now this is the set A minus C. Next, A minus D, the third one. A minus D. Write the elements of set A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus elements of set D. So D elements are 5, 10, 15 and 20. So A minus D means first cancel the common elements. So what are the common elements? Here if you observe, the common element is only 15. The 15 is the common element. Now see, write the remaining elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. Now this is A minus D. A minus D means write the remaining elements of A after taking the common element. Next, the fourth one. The fourth problem is B minus A. B minus A. Write the elements of B. So B elements 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus elements of A. A set elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Now these are the elements of A. So B minus A means same we have to do. First cancel the common elements. So what are the common elements? 12 is the common element. So only one element is common. Now write the remaining elements of set B. The B set elements 4, 8, 16 and 20. So this is B minus A. Now set B minus A contains 4, 8, 16, 20 elements. Now next, fifth problem, C minus A. So write the elements of C. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 minus elements of A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Now these are the elements of A. C minus A means cancel the first common element. So what are the common elements? 6, 6, 12, 12. Only 2 elements are common. Now write the remaining elements of set C, because the first set C. So write 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. So these are the elements of set C minus A. Next, fifth one completed. Sixth one, D minus A. D means 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20 minus A. The set A elements, right here the set A elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Now first cancel the common elements. So what are the common elements? 15, 15 is common. So only one element is common. Write the remaining elements. The remaining elements are 5, 10, 20. So these are the remaining elements of 5, 10, 20 of set D. So D minus A equal to 5, 10, 20. Next, seventh problem. Seventh, B minus C. So write the elements of B. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus elements of C. Write the set C elements. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So these are the elements of C. Now first cancel the common elements. What are the common elements? 4, 4, 8, 8, 12, 12, 16, 16. So only it contains one number or one element, that is 20. So B minus C contains only one element, 20. So it is a singleton set. Next, eighth problem. So eighth one, B minus D. B minus D. Write the elements of set B. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus elements of D. D elements 5, 10, 15, 20. Now B minus D means again we have to do the same thing. First cancel the common elements. So what are the common elements? Only one element is common number, that is 20. Write the remaining elements of set B. 4, 8, 12, 16. So this is B minus D. Next, ninth, C minus B. Write the elements of C. C elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 minus set B elements. The B elements are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So these are the elements of set B. So we have to do again the same thing. So cancel the common elements. So these are the common elements 4, 8, 12, 16. So remaining elements, the remaining elements are C minus B. The remaining elements are 2, 6, 10, 14. So remaining elements are 2, 6, 10, 14. So these are the remaining elements of set B minus C minus B. Now the last problem. See the last problem, D minus B. 10th problem, D minus B. So write the elements of D. 5, 10, 15, 20 minus elements of B. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now identify the common elements. So what are the common elements? Here also same, only one element is common, 20. Write the remaining elements of set D. 5, 10 and 15. So this is the set D minus B. Now 7th bit, state whether each of the following statements is true or false. Justify your answer. We have to identify whether it is true or false. So these are completely related to disjoint sets. So we already completed the definition of disjoint sets in the previous video. Disjoint sets means if A and B are two sets, A and B are the two sets which contains no element is common, means there is no element is common for both A and B, means A elements are separate and B elements are separate, then the sets are called disjoint sets, and always the intersection of disjoint sets is pi. Empty set, there is no element is common, so their intersection is pi. So this is about disjoint sets. Now we have to identify in the among the four which are disjoint or not. See, 2, 3, 4, 5 first set and second set 3, 6 are disjoint sets. It is given the statement these are the disjoint sets. So first identify is there is any common element. So 3, 3 is a common element. So disjoint set means no common element, quite different elements. A elements are separate and B elements are separate, but here we are getting one element is common, so it is not disjoint sets. The statement is false. Next, second one, A, E, I, O, U and A, B, C, D, the two sets are disjoint sets. So again identify if there is any element is common. Yes, here A is common. The only A is common, means here we getting one element, at least one element is common, then they are not disjoint sets. Here also these are not disjoint sets, but it is given are disjoint sets. Again the statement is false. Next, third one, 2, 6, 10, 14 and second set 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint sets. Identify if there is any common element. So here the no common element is there, so the statement is true. The statement is true, no elements are common, so it is a disjoint sets. And the last one, 2, 6, 10, 3, 7, 5. Here all the first set elements and second set elements are different, so these are the disjoint sets. The statement is given the disjoint, so this is also true. Now this is complete about the exercise 2.2.